Hi students, let us go with our new topic, application of derivatives. Okay, now in there one of the important problem. If the tangent at any point on the curve x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equals to a power 2 by 3 intersect the coordinate axis in a and b like this. Let observe. Okay, any curve like this, there, now this is nothing but tangent to the curve. Okay, at any point p x1 comma y1 and intersect at A and B. Yes sir. Okay, let us go with our solution. Let give an equation of curve. What is that? X power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equals to a power 2 by 3. Okay, then first of all we need dy by dx. Then differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Then we will get what? 2 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 minus 1 plus 2 by 3 into y power 2 by 3 minus 1 and dy by dx. Actually we need dy by dx. Yes sir. Now it is nothing but 0. Okay. Now we need actually dy by dx. It is as it is left side. Okay, then remaining is what? Actually 2 by 3 y power 2 by 3 minus 1 means minus 1 by 3 equals to, now the x turning this side, minus 2 by 3 x power minus 1 by 3. Yes or no? 2 by 3 get cancelled. Now dy by dx equals to x power minus x power 1 by 3 becomes as a by x power 1 by 3. Y power minus 1 by 3 becomes as a plus y power plus 1 by 3. Okay. Now the slope of tangent AB at x1 comma y1 equals to what? Actually m equals to dy by dx at x1 comma y1. Yes or no? Then substitute here. Then m equals to, it is nothing but minus y1 power 1 by 3 by x1 power 1 by 3. Then we need the equation actually. The equation of tangent equals to y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Already we have slope and at point x1 comma y1 definitely it should be y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Then y minus y1 as it is, then m into minus y1 power 1 by 3 by x1 power 1 by 3 into x minus x1. Let's simplification here. Okay, y minus y1 by this y1 1 by 3 here. Okay, that one becomes as a denominator of left side. Now here x minus x1 by x1 power 1 by 3. Okay, that is more simplification. Y by y1 power 1 by 3 minus y1 by y1 power 1 by 3. Okay, now equals to here minus x by x1 power 1 by 3 minus x1 by x1 power 1 by 3. Okay, let more simplification. let x term bring this side, that one becomes as a x by x1 power 1 by 3 s. Now here it is a y by y1 power 1 by 3 equals to, now remaining what here? Remaining here, this one bring that side, that one becomes as a, now this one, minus x1 power 1 by 3, x1 by x1 power 1 by 3 plus y1 by y1 power 1 by 3. Okay. Here observe minus into minus plus s or no? Now it is a plus. Here also it is a plus, yes or no? Okay. Let more simplification, x1 power 1 by x1 power 1 by 3, then it is nothing but x1 power 1 minus 1 by 3. Here also y1 power 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay, x1 power 2 by 3 plus y1 power 2 by 3. x1 power 1 minus 1 by 3, it is a 3 minus 1, 2 by 3, and y1 power 1 minus 1 by 3, it is a 2 by 3. Yes. Then x1 power 2 by 3 plus y1 power 2 by 3, it is like equation, given equation, yes or no? Now shall I write this one equals to a power 2 by 3? Definitely. Okay na? At one point x1 power 2 by 3 plus y1 power 2 by 3 equals to a power 2 by 3. Okay. Now which one equals to x by x1 power 1 by 3 plus y by y1 power 1 by 3. Let, now this one also bring this side, then x by x1 power 1 by 3 a power 2 by 3, okay, plus y by y1 power 1 by 3 a power 2 by 3 equals to 1. Okay. Now it is exact in the form of x by a plus y by b equals to 1, intercept form. Okay. X intercept is a, y intercept is a b. Okay. Then here x intercept is nothing but OA. Yes. Now here x intercept is nothing but OA. Then OA equals to, x1 power 1 by 3 a power 2 by 3. Similarly, y intercept is a OB equals to y1 power 1 by 3 a power 2 by 3. Then we have from right angle triangle OAB, then hypotenuse square equals to, okay, adjacent square plus opposite square. Okay, AB square equals to OA square plus OB square. Okay, then AB square equals to, then OA square, x1 power 2 by 3 a power 2 by 3, x1 power 1 by 3 a power 2 by 3 whole square plus y1 power 1 by 3 a power 2 by 3 whole square. Okay, let here x1 power 1 by 3 is nothing but x1 power 2 by 3, yes, and it is a power 4 by 3, yes, plus it is a y1 power 2 by 3 after squaring a power 4 by 3. Then x power 2 by 3. Now here a power 4 by 3 is a common, yes or no? Then a power 4 by 3 common, then x power 2 by 3 plus y1 power 2 by 3 into a power 4 by 3. Okay. Now it is again as a power 2 by 3, yes or no? Here actually this one equals to a power 2 by 3 because of substitute here at any point x1 comma y1, x power 2 by 3 plus y1 y1 plus y1 power 2 by 3 equals to a power 2 by 3. That's why here also it is a power 2 by 3, then a power 4 by 3 equals to a power 2 plus 4 by 3. Okay, a power 6 by 3, then that equals to a square. Okay, then ab equals to, ab square equals to a square then AB equals to A. Then therefore AB is constant. Okay, this is a proof for given problem. AB is constant. Length of the AB is constant. Length of the AB from A to B. Okay, let us go with our new problem. Okay, we can solving here only. Okay, let show that the tangent of the tangent of given curve, tangent at P x1 comma y1 on the curve root x plus root y equals to root a, like previous problem. Okay, root a is x1 y1 power minus 1 by 3 plus x1 power minus 1 by 3 equals to minus 1 by 2 equals to a power 1 by 2. Okay, a power 1. Okay, once check out y1 power minus 1 by 2 x1 power. Okay, let us prove. Let same like previous problem, the solution. Let the equation of curve is root x plus root y equals to a. Definitely we need here dy by dx for slope SR. Okay, let differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Then we will get it is a 1 by 2 root xs. Then it is a 1 by 2 root y dy by dx equals to 0. Differentiation of root x is a 1 by 2 root x. Okay. Then 1 by 2 root y, 1 by 2 under root y dx equals to minus 1 by 2 under root x. 2 to get cancelled. Then dy by dx equals to minus root y by root x. Same like previous problem. Okay. Then here slope of tangent. The slope of tangent at P x1 comma y1 is what? M equals to dy by dx x1 comma y1. Okay. Then M equals what? M equals to is nothing but minus root y1 by root x. Okay. Also nothing but y1 power 1 by 2 x1 power 1 by 2. Okay. Let us go with the equation. Equation of tangent. Then equation of tangent is nothing but y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1 like previous problem. Yes. Then y minus y1 equals to m minus y1 power 1 by 2 by x1 power 1 by 2 into x minus x1. Okay. Same here also y minus y1 by, right, y1 power 1 by 2 equals to minus x minus x1 by x1 power 1 by 2. Okay. Then separate it, y by y1 power 1 by 2 minus y1 by y1 power 1 by 2 equals to minus x by x1 power 1 by 2 plus x1 by x1 power 1 by 2. Let's simplification. Okay. Now here it is a minus x becomes as a plus x by x1 power 1 by 2 plus here y by y1 power 1 by 2 equals to Now this side x1 by x1 power 1 by 2 plus y1 by y1 power 1 by 2. Okay. Now it is the x1 power 1, it is the 1 by 2, x1 power 1 power 1 minus 1 by 2 plus y1 power 1 minus 1 by 2. Yes. Then that equals to x1 power 1 by 2 plus y1 power 1 by 2. Okay. Now this is nothing but a power 1 by 2. Yes or no? Okay. A power 1 by 2. At x1 comma y1 under root x1 plus under root y1 equals to root a. Yes. A power 1 by 2. Therefore required one x, now this one becomes as a x1 power 1 minus 1 by 2 plus y1 power minus 1 by 2 equals to a power 1 by 2. Okay. Now this is the asked one. Okay. Hence proved. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. If you want any doubt, please comment on my comment box. Okay. Thank you.